Indoors, peaceful, happy, and outdoors. Actually quite nice out now. The sun's poking through. Tour of the camp. Tents, the ridge is visible. It's the best it's been all day. These snowdrifts have blown up over the sled. We're gonna have to dig all that out. You can see all of our rock samples are getting buried, and a bit of the HF radio is getting blown down in the wind, but all in all it's holding together pretty good. Here's the toilet pit that's suffered the worst from the storm, and you can see Butcher Ridge in the background. Alright, camera's going back inside.